So we on our way to the lovely quads. We got a leg session for y'all. We gonna bang it out. We killed back. That was our latest video. We're gonna go ahead and kill legs this one. Hey, what's going on, my man? How you feel?
I'm feeling
Good?
We woke up this morning, didn't we?
Yeah. I woke up good. Here, I don't fucking know. Take it. Be good,
man.
boss.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, you know, got some charitableness in me, as you see. I'm a very nice guy when I want to be.
First and foremost, some rappers are sweet like fructose. When I cock back these lyrics, y'all punks best be ghost. I be the 721, 1821, the illest one. I'm almost doper than anyone. Straight out the late nights of Bed-Stuy. Stepping up, y'all put your weapons up, I make heads fly. You're artificial like saccharin. You're crazy fake. It's more than skills you be lacking in. Concepts you bite cause your identity ain't tight. Trying to be something you're not, like pulling a knife at a gunfight. I'm trooping on that airline flight number 106 and getting all up in your fucking mix. You got me upset and I got you uptight, cause my committee's in your city tonight. Alright, we got 17 million of us plus 2 million Indians, that makes 19 mil. Light shit up like Wild Bill, I be the supreme father plus the ill kid with drama. My karma creates the Teflon to pierce your body armor. And make sure you check your shit before you walk to me or talk to me. Step into me improperly, you just may catch the weaponry. My specialty is tearing tracks out the frame. You know my fucking name, I rule all game. I'm universal on all planes, what's your claim?
MCs, beware, so enemies freeze. MCs, beware.
Yo, I be your highness, his slickness. You chumps been witness, tremendous trooper. Verbal nigga with the fitness. Drop you for your spot with the blazer, then I blast you. Slice precise like Benny Hanna's when I come to bring the dramas. Style so swift that you can't peep the guard. As your lyrics get buried 6 feet deep in my backyard, I laugh hard. While you're mental, I run through mazes. Dark stages of terror to shatter your dressing room mirror. Your whole era gets crushed, your whole show gets bum rushed. Too many dumb punks wanna enter this rap scene, kicking Willy Bobo, but need to be slapped clean into oblivion. The true champion always rises. I bring surprises to the chiefs plus their advisors. Size me up and you will find nothing's larger. Catch my wreck on your dome than a deranged fucking barber. So what, you made some dough? You best keep on scrambling or your vanity is instantly crushed when I start handling, demanding that you pay for your weak rhyme display. Coast to coast, I break the fakes every day.
And make them pay. Make them pay. MCs, beware, so enemies freeze. Make them pay. MCs, beware, so enemies freeze.
I see myself as the black rap messiah, colossal, spreading my gospel through electrical wire. Spit fire through speaks so I can reach each and every. Tom, Dick, and Jerry slipping like petroleum jelly. Too busy in the limelight, can't rhyme tight. I got divine right to bring dark to light. Something ain't right to be an MC. You got a thug, or the thug, you gotta be an MC. This shit is bug, show love with few. Deal with crew and crew only, and think universal like Sony. Phony pounds and fake hugs is usually avoided. Give a fuck like Pizza Hut, I gotta stay noited. Cause that same nigga you trust could be that same cat behind that gat that bust. Quiet ya with the silencer, keep it hush, ashes to dust, then dust to ashes. Nowadays is who pull out the fastest. Imagine this, rap shit without this gas shit. Or the phony cat in black talking about how much his Max spit. But this year, Gangstar, got changes being made. No action being played, or fake Max getting paid. Or Versace MCs with a mouth full of mo, sounding like a hoe, spitting that old fashioned show flow. I bomb show that pastel Chanel rap through a Maxwell. Ever since young Crumb was taught to rap well, going deep process of thought with my eyes closes. Awaken with a turban robe and sandals like Moses. Traveling high sands and eastern lands for the answers. Ignorance is spreading through the streets like it was cancer. Too many drinking, not thinking. We're behind that trigger. I 38 escalate the murder rate. For us niggas, it's like microphone roulette. Cause nowadays MCs is getting wet over someone else's fake gangster rap.
And your bitch ass thought you trained. Alright guys, we just roasted out the squats right quick. Usually when I get in here on a leg day, I like to just go towards squats. I train legs twice a week, but now we're gonna go ahead and get into the leg press. I'm gonna go ahead and revisit my squats right before I wrap up. I like to come back to them to really tear up all my fibers. So we'll be seeing the squat again, but for right now, we're gonna focus on the press. This is a really nice press too, this Nebula style press. Not a lot of gyms carry this one. I really like this one a lot. So let's get into it, enough said. This is as heavy as a motherfucker gonna get today. The way I'm gonna go ahead and approach this set is we're gonna strip 2 plates per side. I'm gonna bang out as many as I can. I'm not really focused on a rep range. Just TFing it till failure. Whatever I'm able to get, I'm gonna get. Let's see how it goes and hope that I fucking don't die. right, y'all. That leg press session killed it. But we're gonna go forth. What I like to do is I like to incorporate calves right when I reach close to half mark of my legs. We're gonna go ahead with this seated calf raise. I like seated because it really contracts my gastroc really nicely. I get a further contraction. And then we're gonna rush right into the leg extensions. The leg extensions and the calf raise back to back. We'll see, cycle it 4 times. There'll be a lot of strip setting involved on the extensions. And right here, I think I'm gonna do a 2-second hold and then quick rep. I'll show you how that goes too. Let's get into it.
Majestic, double-breasted, shine like diamonds, illustrious, rainbow glow, charismatic, my crew's the fattest fan, strung off the rhyme time like a cocaine addict. Who the fuck say otherwise? My steez incognito, test me son, I turn evil, old school, wallaby type, Sugar Hill grill, lay back and mac relax, like a whole mill, paradise seeking, lumps of cheddar, I consider while a bass go bump to live better, I dream on pushing, vehicles 3 or so, at times I dress b-boy, at time b-boy. The stutter shit, I still say the butter shit sharp. Open mic, I bring out that box cutter shit. DIT, man, you know the fuck we are. Black cats combined with niggas that's PR. OC, hold it down like I'm drowning a man. Home run hitting chicks, grand slamming them.
Yes, we're internationally known to drop a hot poem on the microphone because we get stupid, I mean outrageous. Running through your town, get tearing down stages.
Don't get it fucked up or twisted. Joey could coast about the rip shit and in your existence in an instant. For instance, I got putting men to racket fences, inflict pain, sent fat, poorly the dentist, the root canal. Government's trying to shoot me down for calling Uncle Sam's bluff in the boogie down. Tax free, Vincent Higanti, it's who backs me. A made man who plays Geppetto with Pataki. You ask me, DITC, what does that mean? Diplomatic immunity when we take it green. Enterprise, take a look into these Spanish eyes. Cabrini green, the color of a man in Spanish skies. The man disguised in American rhymes. While Armageddon's on the corner, bumping coke and drinking knives. I slide, beat the horn on the 525. As I'm passing them by, we toss the peace sign in the sky.
Internationally known to drop a hot poem on the microphone because we get stupid, I mean outrageous. Running through your town, get tearing down stages.
Hey yo, I gotta get the cash, gotta get the dough, gotta put it in my stash and lay low. Honeys used to walk right past years ago. Look at me and laugh, they thought I wouldn't blow. For real, son, it's a new rebel in town. Player for life, picture L settling down. Whenever I'm around, on your girl faces a smile. Never copping out, I'm taking all my cases to trial. You know my team's the best, you never seen me stressed. I be extremely fresh in the green GS. Cruising dumb slow, frontin' with the gun on my lap. So keep running your trap and I'll put one in your cap. I got the street fame and weak game, I won't buy it. Niggas be thinking about sticking me, but don't try it. I know you work, boo, but take a week off so we can sneak off to a hotel suite and freak off. Fellas be jealous cause I'm going places. I got some open cases, but I'ma beat them cause I'm holding papers. I'm at the dice game, head cracking while you rolling aces. I keep a stack of them new hunters with the
Yes,
swollen
we're
faces.
internationally known to drop a hot poem on the microphone because we get stupid, I mean outrageous. Running through your town, get tearing down stages. Yes, we're internationally known to drop a hot poem on the microphone because we get stupid, I mean outrageous.
Okay, y'all witnessed it. We got the squats, we got the press, extensions, calf raises. I do 2 leg days a week. I split them. Today we emphasized on the front area really hard, the quads. Got my glutes in there as well in the calves. My next session really aims towards hitting the rear muscles, my hamstrings, more glute activity. But I like to split them. It keeps me motivated and enthused. If I just train them all, it tires me out. It makes me not intrigued anymore. So I split my days. I still get everything I need to done. So don't think that I'm slacking just because I split them, but that's my preference. Everybody's vary their opinions, but it works for me. So I'm gonna do it. Couple more squats. This is made for twats. go. Ah. Okay, that is my legs.